Hey yo guys, this is King from New Endeavors, and I'm here at the farm store. And y'all won't believe what you would find here. Like, man, things that I would find, it's like the things you would probably find at Walmart or something, some of these things. But hey, let's see what we'll find in here. Let's go. Oh man, y'all gotta see this. This actually says, oh man, this is a trip. It's gonna bug you out. Caution. Area patrol by attack rooster. Security company. What? Oh man. That's a wicked sound. Okay. Let's see what else they have. They have a $700 tool cabinet. This is the family farm and home. Wow. Okay. Yo, y'all won't believe this. They actually have real live, heavy duty, real live safes. They have safes in here. Look at this, safes. Man, can y'all believe it? They have safes, man. This one holds 88 guns. Fireproof. 88 guns. Yo, I'm digging that. Another gun safe. It's like 900. I'm digging the gun safes. Oh yeah. And they got a slew of other gun safes. Gun safe. Gun safe. Gun safe. Gun safe. 42 guns. Wow. 700. Even an itty bitty safe. How cool is that? Man. I think that's like the coolest thing I've seen in a while. You know, I'm signing out for this moment. I'll get back with y'all real soon. But that was just a brief thing. I'm just showing you some of the little things that they do have. I mean, having a safe, who would think that? Wow, like, those gigantic tool cabinets. Man. I mean, all sorts of tools in here. Never know what you'll find. Farm and family home.